Friends, hard to cheer yourself up when despondency or sadness comes, or when some not so good news comes to your home. Very simple, my friends, very simple. Imagine and catch yourself thinking that you are alive. At least. This is already a huge victory. Imagine and think that yesterday will not be like tomorrow, and tomorrow will be better than yesterday. Think also about the fact that all the problems that you once had 10, 20, or 30 years ago, they have all been resolved. This means that this trouble will also be resolved. And also, advice and recommendation. Train yourself to dream, because any dream, any of your positive creative thought testifies to the fact that in space there is such a reality for you. And the very thought of this testifies to the fact that it does exist. Start dreaming, and while dreaming, begin to experience these new creative states. The mood will change very quickly. Your mood will rise, become joyful and happy. When people finish their lives and already know that they will soon leave this world, they begin to appreciate every minute and every day they live. So I would like you not to wait for this moment in your life, so that you can rejoice right now that you are living. You are alive, you breathe, you hear, you enjoy. And this is already great happiness and great joy.